Hello my beautiful people, it is Sherry Moulton back with another video. Hope you're having an amazing day. Again, life bit me. I apologize, it's Sunday. I am just overwhelmed right now. And they hired some new people at work because right now there was only 3 of us. So my hours are getting shortened now. So that's woohoo, good. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed Friday's video. I am so amazed, and I did end up doing just the silver pen on the outside. So pretty. So today we're going to do a flip cup using Artist Loft pre-pour paints. So I haven't done a flip cup in forever, so we're going to play around. So with that, I'm going to bring you on down. I have a canvas all prepped. So today's going to be a short and sweet one, my friends. I apologize. Let me just get in here. Perfect. So this is a 12 by 12 inch. Let me double check because there was no label on them. Yes, they are 12 inch by 12 inch. I have it taped. I have it push pinned. My push pins I buy at a local office supply store here in Canada called Staples. They also have them on Amazon. They're a little more pricier on Amazon, but I will link in the description box for you. So I bought these 2 kits. I don't even know what it's going to be like, but we're going to play around. I have, if I can find where they've got the colors written, everywhere is different. This one is Phthalo Blue, so we're going to use that one. Whoops. This one is Violet. We are going to use, this one here is Turquoise. We will use, this one is Old Gold. And we're going to put some white in it, which is almost gone. If I have some white left, I might use it from my normal stash. Bright blue. I don't want to put red in there because I don't think, what the hey. And I'm going to put a little bit of black. And this one is Aqua Green. So we're just going to fill my cup. And again, like I said, so do not judge me. I have not done this in a very long time. I'm going to switch that around because those 2 are the same. And I'm just going to grab my white of my own stash. And I think we will... Oh. And I can't find it. Well, that's fine. I guess I used it all. All right, so here we go. We're going to pour into this cup. Going to give it all a good shake because I have not. You know what? I might put you on. Oh, if it was any closer, it would have bit me right in the butt. So this one is the Artist Loft titanium white mixed with my Floetrol mix. So we're going to put that in there too. Okay. Let's see. Let's do it varied. Let's do whatever is on the bottom will come out last. So we'll start with the Phthalo. This one's bright blue. Oh, and the lid's on it. Sorry. I thought they had already all been done. Bright blue. We will go turquoise. I'm just going to take the lids off them because I think that'll be quicker to pour. We will do that. Is that? We will do this A little bit of white. Now this one is the Phthalo Blue. Sorry, my eyes are so bad, and I think you guys know that if you watch me. Then we will do, this one is the Aqua Green. We will do some of this gold. We will do the turquoise. This one is the violet. And we'll do some more white. I'll keep that lid off, and maybe we'll do one more. My other thing is I never know how much paint to put in here. Another row of that. Another row of this. It's only a 12 by 12, so I don't want it to go too... I want that white in there just to make it... Alright. Maybe I'll do... I don't think I've ever done a ring pour where you kind of... I've always done the... just a plain old flip cup, or... So this might not turn out right, guys, but we're going to give it a go. Here we go. And I'm just doing it in a circle motion. There we go. Look at the cup is pretty too. All right, let me just get all this out of the way. I'm gonna give it a torch. And you know what? I'm gonna put a pair of gloves on because this will get messy. Let me literally move everything out of the way. Put that cup there. All right. Don't want it on my paintbrush. So I went shopping the other day to the frozen food place, kind of like an M&M's, like a frozen, that's all they sell is kind of frozen food and stuff. Well, didn't I drop a whole, it was probably the size of my canvas, it was frozen soup in a big bag, and I broke my baby toe. Are you kidding me? That's how my day started yesterday. All right. Oh my God, look at this. This looks so pretty so far. I haven't done one of these in so long. Okay, so we're just gonna go gently to the corner. And you know what I might do? Let me do my artist loft. I wasn't even thinking. We want something on the corners for it to go off. This is the cheapy version. I hate to use the other one because it's more money. There we go. I have no more Artist Loft acrylic flow white, even though it's not acrylic flow. I just want to get that all. All right. Now it'll go easier. And bring it back. Kind of want to go corner to corner. Kind of like that, just the way it is. All right. I'm gonna push that white up to the paint line so it'll flow better. Maybe pick some of this up. because that's going to go over. Here we go. Woohoo! Back. And I'm going to tilt it this way so you guys can see a little better. Bring it back into the center. Well, I'm impressed. Got a little bit of a wiggy here, but you know what, guys? I am so impressed with myself because I'm just wiping off the edging so it doesn't. With any painting like this, you want to scrape the edges so that you don't lose everything off the top, because when you've got paint here, it's going to naturally want to flow off. And if you're breaking that barrier, you will not get it to flow. It won't go over. Now I'm going to take my gloves off because I ain't doing anything else with that. That is freaking amazing. I like that. And it's my colors. Now you don't really see the purple. Mind you, you probably do because the purple's dark. Let me get my torch out and we'll give it a little torch. Yeah, that's the only thing I'm not too mad about. Maybe I could probably... Yeah, no, because then if I bring it back, these will be all... We're going to leave it. I'm just going to give it a torch, see if we can bring up any... Because those paints have nothing in it. So I think the only cells that I will get out of that would be with the white that I put in there because it has Floetrol in it. I am so impressed. That is awesome. All right. I apologize about today being a short and sweet. Love you and leave you. But I'm going to put you on pause so I don't make you seasick. I'm going to bring you down. And OMG, we're going to take a good look at this. I'll be right back, guys. Here we go, guys. I just am in love with this one. I didn't end up putting black in there, so I'll move that out of my pile. That is cute. Like, this is the only part I don't really like because it went kind of wiggly woggly. But for only tilting a few times, I'm impressed. And these cells might pop out even more. I like the depth. It's like a 3D hole, like the galaxy's black hole kind of thing. Awesome. Well, there you go, my beautiful people. I hope you have an amazing Wednesday. Friday's video, please stay tuned because we are going to do another bloom flower, but we're going to do it experimental. I'm going to do it 4 ways, and then you guys can see how each technique is a different way. So stay tuned for Friday's video. And Sundays, I'm excited about Sundays as well. So with that, my amazing people, I hope you have an amazing day. If you have not yet subscribed, please hit that button and hit that bell up there for notifications. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. It does help with the YouTube stuff. And in my description box, I have the links to everything I used here today. Also, I have the links to where to purchase Fundy molds with a discount code. I have the where to purchase TriArt liquid glass. I also have a link where to purchase Krystal Resin. I have the links to purchase Let's Resin with a discount code of Sherry M10, capital S, capital M. My 2 amazing Rez distributors. I have Michelle from Artworks Resin Canada. My discount code for Michelle is Sherry Moulton 10, capital S, capital M. And the amazing Laura from Laura's Art Corner, my American Rez distributor, my Glitter Guru. My discount code for Laura is all capital letters, Sherry Moulton 10. And with that, I also have my Amazon links, which I'm an affiliate with, and I have my PayPal in there if you choose to donate and support the channel. With that long-winded exit, I will see you guys on Friday. Love you guys. Bye.